Chaitanya, a life bubbling with zest and zeal. Chaitanya, an organization working with women, youth and children, developing their capabilities by forming strong, sustainable people's institutions, enabling them to lead the process of development for a better quality of life. Started a decade back, Chaitanya has been a pioneer in initiating the self-help group movement in Maharashtra. For Chaitanya, true empowerment is the process of gaining control of self over ideology and the resources that determine power. Self-help groups, that is SHG, Chaitanya believes serve as a catalyst for women's empowerment and are effective agents of social change. Focusing on the poorest of the poor, that is rural women, Chaitanya has been organizing them into strong, sustainable SHGs, encouraging them to become participants in their own development. Starting with 14 SHGs way back in 1993, today Chaitanya has come a long way in making the SHG movement a mass movement. Though savings and giving credit form the major activity of SHGs, it is this activity which becomes a pretext for women to get organized. Women, thus organized, initiate economically and socially relevant action plan. With the aim of creating monetary discipline amongst the SHG members and providing a forum for exchange of information and experience, Chaitanya initiated the formation of Gramin Mahila Swayam Siddha Sangha, the first federation of SHGs in Maharashtra. The federation has been mobilizing women to pursue development activities with gender-specific approach, thus paving the path to prosperity. Today, Chaitanya has become a role model for other organizations working in the field of women's empowerment. Understanding this, Chaitanya has evolved to become an effective training and resource center, thus facilitating the growth of SHG movement. Chaitanya's structure has evolved gradually through an organic process of growth. The emphasis has been on participation and initiative of group members. The model that Chaitanya offers is an example of gradual but sustainable development. With Chaitanya, women have realized their latent energy. With Chaitanya, women have realized their worth. With Chaitanya, women have understood their potential. With Chaitanya, women have made the difference.